program and what that means in individuals' lives. One of these individuals was someone who came here very young, knows no other life other than being an American, and came here not of her decision, but came with a parent. Did very well in school, became valedictorian of her high school, is now at the University of Michigan with dreams of becoming a physician, yet without DACA protections, she would be deported, which makes no sense whatsoever, and to me is not good public policy for us as well. I would like to enter, Mr. Chairman, if I may, a report from the American Immigration Council, and I think it speaks to some of the concerns that you raised as to whether or not this DACA program is responsible for some of the surge that we saw last year. It is the American Immigration Council Special Report of June 2015, if I may enter that.
Without objection.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Ordered.
And basically, I'll just highlight one part of it where it says in its 2012 report, the Office of Refugee Resettlement stated that in a 5-month period between March and July 2012, the unaccompanied minor program received almost 7,200 referrals, surpassing fiscal year 2011's referrals, showing, and this is quote, showing from the report that the rise in unaccompanied minors predated the implementation of the DACA program. Furthermore, individuals who arrived in the country after January 1, 2007 would not even be eligible for DACA. I also, although I don't have the report, the Cato Institute did a report on July 29, 2014, and the Cato Institute said, first, the surge in UAC began long before the June 15th announcement of DACA. It is true that DACA had been discussed in late May of 2012, but the surge was underway by that time. From October 2011 through March 2012, there were 93% increase in UAC apprehensions over the same period in fiscal year 2011. Texas Governor Rick Perry warned President Obama about the issues again before the DACA announcement. And second, they also raised in this Cato report, children coming now are not legally able to apply for DACA. So there's certainly reports from independent groups as wide-ranging as the American Immigration Council to the Cato Institute, which dispel that notion. And I think it goes back to what I said at the beginning of my comments, that ultimately Congress needs to roll up our sleeves and we have to work to pass comprehensive immigration reform. If we do that kind of reform, we're going to provide clarity and certainty, improve border security, and ensure our immigration system is fair for all and makes our country stronger. I think it's also important to remember that when we're talking about the unaccompanied children,